In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Outlook login issues, and this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get back into your account quickly and smoothly. First, open your Chrome browser and go to the three dots menu in the top right corner. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Settings. Next, click on Privacy and Security. You'll see several options that help you manage your browser data and improve performance. Once you've completed these steps, click on Clear Browsing Data and make sure to select Cookies and Cached Images and Files, then hit Clear. After that, go to Third-Party Cookies, click View All Data and Permissions, type Microsoft in the search bar, and delete all related data. Once you've done this, restart your browser and try logging into Outlook again. After that, you should be able to log in without any interruptions and enjoy smooth access to your emails. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix Outlook login issues easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?